Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is what you need to focus on now. Angel messages for you, friends. Yes, many of you requested this reading, friends, so here it is now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, friends. Subscribe our channel, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And if you have already subscribed, many Buddha blessings to you, friends. And I hope you are doing well, friends. This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way and resonate with your situation. Join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com, friends. Today's choices are really cute, and I wanted to give it a lighter theme because the world is going through so much, friends. So very cute choices, these animals, very cute animals. So let's begin. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, this cute mouse. Look at this, such a cutie. Option number 2, this beautiful frog. Option number 3, this cute owl. So take a deep breath, friends, relax, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. The timestamps are in the comment section like always, friends. You can directly also watch the entire video. You can also choose more than one pile. There is no problem for that too if you choose more than one option. So let's see. Oops. For those who chose option 1, let's see what you need to focus on right now. So these are your advice cards. This is your advice. This is your oracle messages. We're gonna look at it in a while. Let's see first your cards. Your cards are the Hanged Man. Interesting. I hope you can see the cards. Oh my god, the Justice, the Queen of Rods, the Three of Cups, very nice. The Wheel of Fortune, and the Eight of Pentacles, brilliant, brilliant. And your extra card is tuning in. This is very good. I feel, friends, this is definitely you had been working very hard. Pile number 1, those who chose this cute mouse, you have been working very hard. You are working. You had been actually struggling since a long time. You have faced a lot of challenges. Trust me. I think it has been since last year this way for you. A lot of challenges, a lot of struggle, and I think some of you are dealing with some difficult partnerships or some difficult work situations, and I think something is really stuck in your life right now. You're very unhappy about it. I definitely feel like you want a change in your life, but you feel stuck. You don't know how to bring that change or how to bring that new thing, new relief in your life, but you don't know how to do that because you feel a little stuck. I definitely feel you could be feeling stuck in work situations, in finances, and also in love life. So what you need to focus on right now, I think you need to focus on right now is you are working too much. So you need to just focus on just relaxing a little bit, taking some time out with friends, or maybe you are you don't have any friends right now, so that is what you need to focus on, making some new friendships, making some new collaborations, whether it is in work or in love. I feel definitely good partnerships are coming your way, some celebration, some victory is coming your way, and it is destined, and it hasn't happened yet for you because you are still working for it. And some of you are wondering when this will happen for you, when this victory will come, when you will get your dreams, your achieve your goals. Friends, it is coming very soon because the destiny, look at this, the Wheel of Fortune number 10. Things are going to shift for you, friends. You have to believe and keep, you are on the right path, friends. You are, I think you are somehow doubting yourself because things are not moving right now. Nothing seems to be moving in your life at the moment. Life is like on a flat curve. There is no high, there is no low, so you feel a little upset. But I think your hard work is going to pay off. This celebration, this victory is going to come. I definitely feel some sort of a good news is coming in for you, and definitely this is destined for you, and you need to keep working on it. So this is your destiny, this is your goal. I also feel what you need to focus on is becoming more adventurous. That is the main problem in your life right now. You may be choosing people which you are familiar with, or maybe people of your past, but it is time to take some risk, take some chances, be adventurous, be bold, be confident, and also I think no more people pleasing. I do not see you people pleasing at all, because you have the justice. So you are like cutthroat and on point. You are like super bob's boss and super babes. That's the way to go, friends. Amazing. This is beautiful. So definitely I also feel you need to focus on something which involves justice, karmic issues. Maybe if you are dealing with or struggling with a third party situation in your relationship, you can find some victory, some relief, and some forward progress. I also feel if someone has wronged you in your work and things are stuck, no one is saying anything, I think you need to make a move or step up and say something, because destiny is with you. Or even if you don't say anything, justice will happen. I also feel money is coming your way. Money was like an injustice done to you, like you were working but money was not coming. But I think it is going to shift. Keep your hard work on, and money is coming your way. Resolutions in work are coming, legal victories are also coming your way. And you need to keep focus on being bold, being confident, speaking your mind, speaking your truth, and staying positive. Don't focus on how stuck you are or what is not working. Don't focus on revenge in any way. I definitely feel in love and partnership, if you are married, you may be dealing with third party or legal issues in some way or the other, or something is like shifting in your love life. And you feel stuck, you feel very restless about it. But I think if you are bold, you will be very happy. This victory is definitely yours. Some of you are very, very single and you are struggling right now to find new people. But you need to, you need to focus on stepping outside, saying the first hi, how are you. You need to start the conversation now, so you can attract, because there are good people around you online, on social media, on our YouTube channel. So you can find a lot of support, but you need to start the conversations. Perhaps host a party at your home. Maybe you haven't done it in a while. But I see great justice happening for you, things moving forward, and what you need to focus on turning in. Four of Cups. You're a perfectionist, pile number one. You guys are perfectionist, and you feel very idealistic about love, romance, life. But somehow life is not always fair. Life is not perfect always, so you are struggling for that. Where is the perfection? Where are my rewards? It is coming, friends. You are definitely on the right path. So, the things you need to focus on right now is taking a breath, relaxing, making yourself a priority, taking care of your health, your mind, your body, making some new friends, going out for a dinner or something, and keep working on what you are working. It is necessary. Keep doing what you are doing, just with a more positive focus. Be more bold. You also chose the mouse, which is very interesting, because mouses are very curious. Mouse are very curious. They are naughty, and they are very happy beings, happy creatures. So focus on the happiness. Focus also on being curious about life. See things from a different perspective, because you have victory coming, you have divine justice coming, luck coming in for you, and you are what you wish for. So go ahead and make your choices. Let's see your oracle messages. Wow, man holding a coin, number 43. Definitely you have financial worries on your mind, or career issues. Maybe you are a student and you are worried. whether you will get a job, will you get selected, will your maybe you feel like other students are getting better jobs or they are more successful than you are, or maybe family is not supporting you right now. But I feel you need to be bold, friends, whatever your situation is, because this is a general reading, it is for many people. No matter what your situation is, be bold, friends, be bold, take charge, don't settle down. And if you believe in something, go for it. And definitely, money is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. Someone may be offering you a partnership or business partnership or some new contracts, or someone may give you an idea to make some more money, maybe an extra job. I feel like some of you could be starting some photography, modeling, or all those things, maybe food or dining, restaurants or a food blog or something like that. It will be very, very powerful for you. I definitely see you working on many ideas to make more money and make life more interesting also. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Definitely, friends, it is the throat chakra, and it is also the third eye chakra, sorry. So definitely, friends, focus on the signs you are getting. The lot of signs are coming towards you, happy signs, signs from the universe. You need to focus on them, and you need to meditate also. Take some time to relax, meditate, and listen to the voice of your intuition or the signs around you, because lot of help is coming ahead for you which you cannot see right now. I see your life is like really nothing is happening. It's kind of like boring, or you feel very stressed out, either of the two. But things are going to get better for you. I feel in love, I feel someone very, very worthy, someone which is perfect for you is coming, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is coming towards you. But they may meet you through work or some social hobby, but it's going to be fun. It will be an exciting relationship and very passionate. But you might say the first hi. That's the way. If you have a crush, I feel you should go and say hi, because God is with you. So you see that little mouse offering that little flower. So yeah, go ahead and make the move. What else? I think you should focus. You should keep doing what you are doing, but do it with a more positive focus, and do it with the idea of happiness and joy. If you are working too much, get some rest and relax. And if you are not working at all, get some. Be passionate about what you're working for. Yeah, it's a great thing. Actually, a lot of great things are coming your way, but you are right now not able to see them, because it's not the time for you to see those things right now. They are not yet happened in your life, but they are going to. You had been through a lot of challenges. See here. I also see you cutting people out, like if there is a bad relationship, you are like, nope, I don't want it. If you someone gossips about you, no, I don't want you in my life. So you are just releasing negative situations also from your life. You are maybe a toxic job, toxic relationship, marriage, all those things. Bye bye. No more. But I see you doing something. You are coming into your power. You are being a leader. You are speaking up and taking charge of the situation. It's a beautiful, beautiful energy, and great things are lying ahead in your future. Let's see your advice, pile number 1. Self-employment. You are a born entrepreneur and your business is surrounded by magical opportunities. Yes, friends, absolutely. This is a time that, this is a confirmation. If you are worried about work, career, or money, see, things are going to get better for you. It is destined for you. You are born for success. You are born for victory and absolute $1 million, baby. You are born for $1 million. You are my $1 million club, friends. High five. Oh my god, this is amazing. And I see you working for some new job or starting a new business. And even if you are a housewife or something, you will start learning something new, which will make you very excited. And if you are a student, you may start getting ideas or connecting with people. Maybe a senior will help you out and you both will work and start a new business, or some social work, some website, or maybe you'll start working on YouTube or something, as I told you. Food, I see you working on food, fitness, Reiki, all those things, meditation. So great times ahead for you, friends, and I think you are already working on these things right now also. So just a little bit of change your focus and meditate. That's the thing you need to focus on right now. So that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share this video, friends. If you liked our new setup, please like the video. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who chose option number 2, this beautiful froggy, this is like the frog prince, isn't it? Oh my god, kiss 1,000, kiss 1,000 frogs and you may find a prince, Prince Charming there. It reminds you of that, at least it reminds me of that. Uh, let's see, this is your extra oracle cards. Wow, you have 2 advice cards. These are your advice cards. We're gonna look at them in a while. This is your extra oracle messages. Let's see your cards. Your cards are pile number 2, the Emperor. Ace of Pentacles, wowie. The Six of Wands, wow, victory. Oh my god, the Six of Cups. Friends, look at this, how interesting that you have 6 again. This is happening a lot. 6 2 2 7 7s, and the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles. Oh my god, lovey-dovey. 2 of Cups. 7, patience, number 7 card, the patience, and courage, number 8. Wow, that's interesting. Very interesting. So what you need to focus on right now, what's going on with you, pile number 2, the froggies, our frog princes, our frog princes. Oh my god. I think you are dealing with a lot of things right now. You are dealing with work issues. You are dealing with love issues also, friends. You have a full plate of things to deal with right now. And I think you are struggling in love. You are struggling in relationships a lot. Maybe you are dealing with a person who is very arrogant, or you feel like you do not have any power in your relationships. Maybe because... I don't know, but someone is not making you feel good about a relationship, or you feel you are powerless in a relationship. Someone is dominating you. It could be any relationship, friends. It could be a relationship with your parents, or with your life partner, husband or wife, or a lover or an ex-person. You feel like this person is dominating you. They are trying to win you. They are trying to control you in some way. So you feel a little upset about it. I also feel like some of you are dealing with a lot of worries regarding work. What will happen in work, what will happen in your future, your destiny. You are also worried about that. So there are 2 themes here. One is love. You're worried about a past love relationship, or a current love relationship, or some relationship like family or friends, or a senior, junior, or a love relationship. I think the thing you need to focus on right now is you are dealing with a soulmate connection. This person is your soulmate. You have known them from a long time. You may be childhood sweethearts, or you have studied with them, you are colleagues with them, but this is a soulmate connection. There is love in their heart, and I think this person is quite a dominating person, or they are quite shy. They don't talk at all. Someone is not sharing their feelings. They are watching you on a social media, stalking you, but not talking to you. This person is playing the hide and seek, or they are trying hard to get right now. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person for you, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, friends. But I feel, or you could be these sun signs. You could be both fire, or earth, like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But the thing I feel is, friends, there is an age gap between you and this person. And I feel like this person may be a student, or you both are learning, you both are quite young. This person is working on something. They want to win you back. They want to offer you this partnership, this 2 of Cups of happiness. But you need to be patient with this person. Right now, they are not ready for you know, I know you have been very patient, so I know that, I absolutely know that you have been very very patient. So you are, some of our viewers are like not even wanting to wait for this person, so I will come to that, but let me just say the message. So some of you need to be patient with this person or with this situation. Give it some time, especially if you are married to this person. Give this relationship some time. This person needs some time to come out and give you this Two of Cups of happiness. And I also feel, friends, if you have already ended this relationship, this partnership, someone who was playing mind games, someone who was not talking to you, someone was trying to dominate you, if you have already been there in this relationship and you are not married with them, I think you are ready for a new love. You are absolutely ready for a new connection, and it is going to come your way. Some of you may be doubting also, like, will we ever find love? After all, what you have gone through in life, like, you keep finding dominating partners or narcissistic, or maybe people who are not giving equally to you. So you feel like, will you ever find love? Yes. Yes, your patience will be worth it. Look at this. Even in rocks, flowers appear. So you will find the love you are seeking. Don't worry, it's very close to you. So for some of you, this person will come back and a relationship will happen. 50% of you, but you need to be patient right now. This person hasn't achieved that maturity yet, but they may in the future. As they say, you may have to kiss 1,000 frogs before you find your prince charming or the princess charming. So, yeah. But I feel, friends, some of you will be definitely moving on towards better, powerful persons or towards relationships which are better. The other thing you need to focus on is that you are very close to achieving a goal. You are very, very close to achieving a new job or finding that promotion you were looking for, or maybe giving birth to a baby, or you are very close to achieving something you were actually working on. Some of you want to study abroad or travel foreign for work, or some, for PhDs or for work, or some studies, or marriage perhaps in foreign. You want to get married in some another country or in another city. Yes, it will happen. You are right, very, very close to that, achieving that goal. Stay, be courageous now. Don't lose hope. Stay focused. Stay courageous. I also feel, friends, some new opportunity to make more money is coming your way. Some new doors are going to open for you. I think some of you are trying to hide yourself and you are not showing the real you to the world. Especially at work, I feel like you are very talented, pile number two. You're very talented, but somehow you lack a bit of confidence right now. So you need to focus on building your confidence. You need to focus on coming out and showing your true gifts and true skills, because you are this emperor. That is your destiny, this success, this power, this leadership. You will go on the top of the job you do, whether you are a teacher, whether you are in HR manager, or whether you are in finances. You will go on the top, but you need to be bold. You need to have some courage. You need to believe in yourself. That's what you need to focus on. Success is coming, friends. In fact, I feel like a victory is coming. Someone may compliment you, or someone may give you a promotion, or life will move forward for you, and that's such a relief. I know these things have been stuck from a long, long time. And I also feel a new relationship is coming for some of you. It will come through work or through studies, or through while traveling. You will meet someone. While relocating, you will meet someone. But it is in your destiny, friends. It is in your destiny. And some of you are trying to expand your family, get a new house or a baby or something. You are on the right path. Just some patience is needed. You are very close to achieving that victory. I also feel, friends, some of you are having issues with your family, like some elder ones, parents, especially if you are very young, a student. Maybe your parents are not understanding your skills, your life path, or your chosen career. They do not support it. I think you need to be patient with them, give them some time, and prove them with your hard work that yes, you can be successful too, and keep, because I think something is going to happen very quickly for you, friends. Some opportunity will come, or you may find someone like who will help you in your career. But your parents or your elders may not like it, but you will still have to go ahead and do that thing because it is your destiny, it is your luck, it is a big project that's coming your way. And some of you could also be handling two jobs or a job, a leadership role, but you may doubt yourself, friends. So do not doubt. You need to focus on not doubting yourself. You are really doubting yourself. And some of you are even doubting you will ever meet a twin flame or a soulmate. But it's in your destiny. You can't help it, friends. You are very, very close to meeting them. Look at this. You have worked since last 7 years for this moment right now. Let's see your advice. The garden and the gate, number 30. So, yeah, definitely, friends, you are waiting for things to open. You are waiting, you have done your work, you have planted the seeds. Now you are waiting for doors to open, flowers to bloom. I think it's. The garden is there, friends. You need to believe in yourself, take some courage, and, you know, I think like you I think you're very sweet people, pile number two. You do not like to show much to people. I think it's your time to show off to the world that what exactly you are. You know, be like this showy. Sometimes it's good to show off to people like, hey, see, look at me, I can do this. So that's the vibe you need to be in, you know. That's what you need to do. You are like this frog who needs to leap and jump because you are a frog, you can jump, right? So go ahead, friends, take a leap of faith. It's already yours. The destiny is yours. Number 35, Archangel Michael. First chakra, definitely, friends, this is very, very powerful for you. Archangel Michael is helping you. And I feel if you are dealing with health issues, you will be very successful or in healing or finding the right people who can support you, the right treatment. I also feel, friends, there are people who are jealous of you or who are not allowing you to succeed. Some major block is there, like someone is trying to stop you from going ahead and reaching your destiny. You can ask Archangel Michael to remove blocks from your life. Because one of the blocks is also that you do not believe in yourself. So believe in yourself, you can do it. And I feel like a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and a Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you, friends. And yeah, you are on the right path. Have some patience. You are very close to achieving this new success. Let's see your final advice. Divine magic, extra magical energy surrounds your situation. See, if you don't believe me, now you have to. Divine magic is here. Expect miracles. Yes, you have given up hope, friends. You have given up hope that life will ever change for you in good ways. It will, friends. Expect miracles and forgive yourself. Oh, that's beautiful. Let go of old guilt and remember that you are God's perfect child. I definitely feel you have been through some very tough situations. Maybe a very bad marriage or a very tough relationship, a challenging childhood maybe, and you somehow blame yourself that you were wrong in that place, that is why those things happened. You're blaming yourself, friends. Don't do that. You did your best. We always try our best, isn't it? You did your best. You tried to love them even if they couldn't understand it, even if they were, whether it's your parent, whether it's your colleague, your lover, husband or wife, whatever, you tried to be good to them. But if they do not understand, it's okay. You can forgive yourself and move on because life is good for you, and your lovey-dovey prince and princess is on its way to you, friends. So that's it for now. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends, and like this video if you enjoyed this reading. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this cutie owl, look at it. Wow, what a cute owl it is. Let's see what you need to focus on right now. These are your advice cards. These are your extra oracle messages. We're gonna look at them in a while. Let's see your cards. Breakthrough. Oh my god. We are starting on a high note. Participation, 4 of Wands, Twin Flames, 1111. 10 of Cups, Ace of Swords. Interesting. The 10 of Pentacles. Wow, again, look, 10-10. This is happening a lot. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. And the Queen of Cups. The 9 of Cups, oh my god. You are in for happiness. Page of Rods. And oh my god, friends, look at the synchronicity. Twice you have the 4 of Wands. Unbelievable, from 2 different decks. 4 of Wands, 4 of Wands. Wow, that's interesting. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. You are, what you need to focus on, friends, I feel you are going through a lot of things right now. Like, you are, I think, like, you have been working alone since a long time. You have been very single since a long time, or even at work you are working very hard since like 5 years, 6 years, 7, 8 years. I see you working very hard and doing a lot of achieving a lot of success by yourself. You have really become wise. You are like this owl. You are wise. You have matured up. So what's going to happen next for you? A breakthrough is coming, friends. A breakthrough is coming, and it is going to change your life, and it will change your life in ways you have never expected. I see that some of you are going to get married or will be planning to get married in the near future, or marriage is in your destiny. Absolutely, you have 2 wedding cards here. So either you are planning your own wedding, or you need to start preparing for that, getting mentally, emotionally ready for it, because it's part of your destiny. Otherwise, I see that it will happen for you in the coming future, maybe this year, next year, as it is a general reading, but it's destined for you. This marriage, this commitment, it's destined. You have worked for it, friends. Some of you could be getting married with your twin flames, and right now the situation isn't good. Like, you are really on the end of your patience, like when things will change with this person, with this soulmate, when things will change. It will, friends, it will change. A breakthrough is going to happen in your life. And some of you are really very single since a long time, so you have given up hope that you will ever have your 10 of Cups, this 10 of Pentacles, this 10 of Cups of happiness. You have given hope. But friends, it is going to happen, and when you give up hope, that's when hope comes to you. That's when it drops in your hand. So it's going to happen for you. You have to start working and start believing it. I also feel like some of you are very anxious right now. You are very stressed out, because I feel that you are very anxious about work. You are anxious about family security. Maybe your husband or wife has lost a job, or financially they are struggling, so you are worried about that, or you are worried about long-term security in life. But I think your breakthroughs are coming, clarity is coming, relief is coming. You are going to get this victory. It is not just a victory in work or in love, but it is a spiritual victory. It is like you gaining a mastery, a reward, a recognition. And happy celebrations are coming your way, friends. Some of you could be graduating very soon, or you will be graduating, and some of you are going to get this dream come true, which was your dream from a long time. So you will feel very happy. And some of you, I see you preparing for a wedding, maybe yours, or maybe someone in the family is getting married, so you are preparing for it. You need to focus on that. I feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you, friends. Definitely. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel a lot of emotional fulfillment is coming your way, friends. You are right now not feeling emotionally fulfilled, supported, or you're not even feeling happy, I feel, but it is going to change. You need to focus on your emotions right now. Some of you, I feel, are like getting too comfortable in life, like you are watching all, binge watching, not too much of relaxation. You are not focusing on your health. You're not going outside, not taking any sunshine. I feel you're doing too much of binge watching and chips and, cheese, potatoes. I don't know. What are those yummy things you eat, pizzas, pastas, and maybe Coke or something. I think you need to cut that a little bit, friends, because I do see that you will be partying a lot in the coming days. So you need to focus on your health a little bit, get some activity, get going, get out, get some fresh air, get some sunshine, balance your diet. Yeah, I know it sounds bad, but have to say it, friends. Because a lot of parties are coming in your future. So if you are eating right now and too much of eating right now, being too lazy right now, it's going to really not work for you, right? So, yeah. I also feel, friends, some of you are very, very stuck about, like, you are stuck away from home in some another country, in some another city. Some issues are affecting you, like some visa issues, some, authority paperwork is stuck. You are not able to get it. Maybe if you are not getting the admission, maybe you are not getting the job letter. It's stuck. It is stuck, but it is going to come through. It is come through. The breakthrough is going to happen for you. And I also feel in your work, a lot of money is coming your way. Long term success will be coming your way. And this will make you very happy. Some of you could be joining your family's business or your family work, or some of you could be. I see that some of you could be actually taking your family business ahead, to more success, to forward, to foreign lands or to expansion, all those things. So it will make you very happy. What else? Let's see. I think you need to stay very active right now. Some of you could be feeling very emotional, so you need to balance your emotion and stay like this owl, pretty cute and wise, Be like this owl, which is pretty, which is cute, but yet very smart and intelligent, because I see some work opportunities coming like like on a snap, they are coming in, and someone will hire you very, very quickly, but you need to stay very alert. Start, or maybe some exam dates are coming which you don't know yet, but they are going to be like tomorrow is the exam, so you need to stay alert. Start working hard, friends, start working hard. And definitely breakthroughs are coming your way, the success is coming your way. Let's see the extra cards here. Happy family, number 4. Some of you are really, really worried about whether you will ever have a happy family. Some of you could be dealing with a twin flame who is probably married or stuck in a karmic situation. But friends, I see your destiny is to be with them, because you have 1111 here. You have the happy family. If you are single, you are destined for happy family. If you are with a twin flame, you are destined for a happy family and supportive people at work. Oh my God, Archangel Samuel, third chakra. Yes, friends, your ego is going to be boosted. A lot of success is coming your way. Things which will make you feel happy, and prosperity is coming your way. Something will boost your ego. And I think some of you will start, it's time to focus on your health. Start working out, or, taking care of your hair. Just little things you need to do, because it's going to boost your confidence. Be like this owl, cute and smart. Let's see your advice. Stay optimistic. Your dreams are about to come true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. Exactly, friends, your breakthroughs are coming. Look at this. You are going to break through out of old things. Good things are coming. Stay optimistic. tranquility. Make time to relax, be still, enjoy your solitude, and indulging in much needed self care. I definitely see you guys will be having a very busy time, social time ahead. So, right now, it's time to enjoy the solitude that you are having, because in the future, friends, you are going to be super busy and you may miss this peace right now which you have, or you may miss. You I see you dealing with a lot of people, friends, social work, a lot of people, networking, work people, home people, friends, lot of people coming your way. So enjoy what you have right now and get working on your fitness, get going on that treadmill, friends. So that's it for now. This is Mystic C from Magic Vens Tarot, and please friends do subscribe our channel Magic Vens Tarot. Like this video if you enjoyed this today's reading, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. Bye for now.